All right, so this is the new DWE7800, kind of an unboxing. This is the drywall sander that was designed by DeWalt to replace the Porter cable. It shares a lot of the common look and attributes of the Porter cable, which isn't a surprise. Porter cable was the original drywall sander. Porter cable and DeWalt have the same parent company, which is Stanley Black & Decker, so of course some of that carried over to the new design of the tool. But there are some noticeable differences that some you can see and some you can't, and that's what we're going to talk about with this one. One of the ones you can see, we'll start at one end and work our way up. Instead of using that soft rubber hose that the Porter cable used, this uses the patented DeWalt airlock. What that means is when you have the hose and you're using a DeWalt dust extractor and you snap it on and you lock it, this will not separate and it will allow it to swivel. So your hose doesn't have to get twisted up behind you. Quick release, comes right off. This is a great system that's been proven in the field, and now this new sander is equipped with that. The second thing we'll talk about that you can't see is that there is an improved motor and an improved drive shaft. That was always kind of an Achilles heel or weakness of the 7800 by Porter cable, that the drive shaft wasn't robust enough. So this has a stronger drive shaft and a redesigned motor, and for that reason it has a little bit better range on the high end and the low end. The Porter cable worked from 1400 RPMs to 2000 RPMs. This one's rated for 1200 RPMs to 2400 RPMs. So you can go a little bit slower and you can also go a little bit faster. Similar design on the bottom to a rotary knob to set the speed or the RPMs. The switch is a little different. Instead of having a rocker switch that you would just turn on or off, this has the ability to dual action. You can just turn it on, or you can push it all the way forward and lock it on. And you see the articulating head. That's the position you use if you were doing the ceilings. You know, you can see it has a very similar action as the prior Porter cable. And that's kind of the first look.